Hi, this is Dr. Rajeshwar from YR Pharma Tube. In this video, we shall learn that penicillin is a unique molecule having a fused beta-lactam thiazolidine ring system, wherein the strained beta-lactam ring is susceptible to cleavage by a variety of reagents as well as some enzymes. The labile beta-lactam ring of penicillins and other beta-lactam antibiotics is characterized by its pronounced susceptibility to various nucleophiles, acid-base reagents, metal ions, oxidizing agents, or even it is also an interesting to note that stability or rate of degradation of different members of beta-lactam antibiotics in vivo as well as in vitro has been quite different. However, the major pathways of their degradation have remained similar, leading to various breakdown products in a majority of the beta-lactam. The most unstable bond in the penicillin molecule is the highly strained and reactive beta-lactam amide bond. This bond is broken down between nitrogen and carbonyl group, particularly when it undergoes hydrolysis. The course of the hydrolysis and the nature of the degradation or hydrolytic products are influenced by the pH of the solution. Thus, the beta-lactam carbonyl group of penicillin cleaves moderately, slowly when it undergoes nucleophilic attack by water unless heated, but breaks down much more rapidly in alkaline solutions, that is by hydroxide ion, to form the inactive penicilloic acid. This penicilloic acid is reasonably stable in neutral to alkaline solutions but readily undergoes decomposition. The penicilloic acid further hydrolyzed in acidic solutions forming penilloaldehyde and D-penicillamine. Other nucleophiles such as hydroxylamines, alkylamines and alcohols bring about the same cleavage reaction, that is to open the beta-lactam ring to form the corresponding hydroxamic acids, amides and esters. These products are inactive. It has been speculated that one of the overall alkaline hydrolysis reactions of penicillin are summarized here. Penicillin hydrolysis in the presence of strongly acidic solutions, that is pH less than 3, is complex. Penicillin undergoes a complex series of acidic hydrolysis reactions leading to various inactive degradation products. The first step appears to involve rearrangement of the penicillinic acid. This process is initiated by protonation of the lactam nitrogen followed by the nucleophilic attack of the acyl oxygen atom on the lactam carbonyl carbon. The subsequent opening of the lactam ring destabilizes the thiazolidine ring, which then also suffers acid catalyzed ring opening to form the penicillinic acid. The penicillinic acid is very unstable and experiences two major degradation pathways. The most easily understood path involves hydrolysis of the oxazolone ring to form the unstable penemaldic acid, because it is an enamine. The second path involves a complex rearrangement of penicillinic acid to a penylic acid through a series of intramolecular processes. Penylic acid, which is chemically an imidazoline 2-carboxylic acid, readily decarboxylates and suffers hydrolytic ring opening under acidic conditions to form penilloic acid, which is a second major end product of acid-catalyzed penicillin degradation. Penicilloic acid, the major product formed under weakly acidic to alkaline hydrolytic conditions, cannot be detected as an intermediate under strongly acidic conditions. It exerts in equilibrium with the penemaldic acid and undergoes decarboxylation in acid to form penilloic acid. The third major product of the degradation is penicillin. The overall acid hydrolysis reactions of penicillin are illustrated here. By controlling the pH of aqueous solutions within a range of 6 to 6.8 and refrigerating the solutions, aqueous preparations of the soluble penicillins may be stored for up to several weeks. Some buffer systems, particularly phosphates and citrates, exert a favorable effect on penicillin stability independent of the pH effect. These buffers may catalyze penicillin degradation if the pH is adjusted to obtain the requisite ions. Hydroalcoholic solutions of penicillin G potassium are about as unstable as aqueous solutions. Because penicillin's oxidizing agents also inactivate penicillins, but reducing agents have little effect on them. Temperature affects the rate of deterioration, although the dry salts are stable at room temperature and do not require refrigeration. Prolonged heating inactivates the penicillins. Acid catalyzed degradation in the stomach contributes strongly to the poor oral absorption of penicillin. Thus, efforts to obtain penicillins with substitution of an electron withdrawing group in the alpha position of benzyl penicillin markedly stabilizes the penicillin to acid catalyzed hydrolysis. Thus, phenoxymethylpenicillin, alpha-aminobenzyl penicillin, and alpha-halobenzyl penicillin are significantly more stable than benzyl penicillin in acid solutions. The increased stability imparted by such electron withdrawing groups has been attributed to decreased reactivity, that is nucleophilicity, of the side chain amide carbonyl oxygen atom toward participation in beta-lactam ring opening to form penicillinic acid. Obviously, this is the list of references followed for the lesson. That's all in this video, the chemical degradation of penicillins. In the next lesson,